Getting there. Getting there.
The old Fiat Alice TD5 ready to get rocking and rolling.
Oh. Oh.
Oh. Yeah, she's a. I'm gonna get this thing.
Just generate a little heat in there, man.
Oh yeah.
Gotta get over the hump.
Come on! Come on! Smells like ether, man. I hope we don't blow up.
Should I give it more fuel or less fuel? I guess.
I don't know if.
I'm amazed we haven't gotten any oil into the engine yet.
Yeah, me too. So it's pumping.
It's getting closer. Huh.